Hey there! Welcome to another tutorial about the Smoothcomp platform. My name is Rickard, and today I want to show you our streaming solution. At the end of this tutorial, I will show you how to set everything up, so make sure to stick around to the end. And if you want more tutorials like this and other great content, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure to activate notifications. And if you also like this video, more people can find it, so please give it a thumbs up. When we started Smoothcomp in 2015, we set out to build the best tournament platform in the world for fighters, coaches and organizers. We also envisioned a live streaming solution that connected video of your fights to your profile. Today, we're very happy to tell you that we've come a long way and we can now offer you a streaming solution that is easy to use, fast and reliable. No need for complex setups with wires, stream keys and expensive hardware. Our solution is super smooth. At the time of this recording, we're streaming to our YouTube channel. This might change over time as we evolve our product. To get started, you will need to download and install two applications. First, you need the scoreboard application that we built. It's for PC and Mac computers. You can find the latest version on our download page, and when we update the app, you will get an update request within the app that you need to install the new version, so please do that. To stream, you also need the iOS app we built called the Smoothstreamer, and that you can find in the Apple App Store. Install Smoothstreamer on each device you will use to stream with and keep it updated through the App Store updates. The scoreboard app that you will use to score the fights with puts the scoreboard online, and then the iOS app automatically picks up the scoreboard and shows it as graphics in the stream. In the scoreboard app, you will pick a channel corresponding to the mat, ring or area that you're streaming from. You will then do the same thing in the iOS app so that the two can connect. And that's it. Once the connection is made, you will see the scoreboard on the screen, and when it's time to start, just hit that camera button to start streaming. When it comes to streaming, it can be quite complex and challenging, so that's why we had simplicity in mind when building the Smoothstreamer. With just an iPad or an iPhone, you can get going. And once your event is over, we even tag your clips automatically for you, so your fighters can find their fights. The better hardware you use, the better quality you can provide for your viewers. So always aim for the best hardware you can get your hands on. Here's a list of the minimum hardware requirements in order to use our streaming. You need a fast and reliable internet connection. You need a good data plan. Each stream will use about 3 megabits per second if you stream in 720p. An iPad or an iPhone. iPhone 5S or higher is supported, but the newer the better. PCs or Macs to install the scoreboard applications on. And we also recommend that you get a good tripod for the iOS devices. And if you want better sound, you can use an external microphone. A wider lens is optional, but it will give you a better viewing angle. To help you get started now, I would like to show you how to connect everything. So follow me and I will set everything up. So I'm here at my little mini event. I have my computer, I have an iPad, and now I will show you how to connect everything so you can start using the Smoothstreamer solution. This is a PC, but it can be a PC or Mac, it doesn't matter. The desktop application works both for PC and Mac. The first step would be to take an HDMI cable, connect one end to the computer and the other end to the TV. The TV will then display the scoreboard, and I will see the input panel where I input the scores. You can have the TV standing next to the table, but for safety reasons, maybe it's better to have a TV stand so that you can have it a little bit higher up so people can see it, even if they're far away in the spectator seats. Once you open up the desktop application, you need to log into your event, you need to create the scoreboard, and then you need to extend your displays. In order to show you how you're going to do this, I will share my screen and then walk you through it. Once you have installed the desktop application, go ahead and open it up and make sure you are logged in with your organizer account. You will see a list of all your upcoming events. Pick the event that you're streaming from. Then it's time to pick the channel. Channel names corresponds to what you have named them under mat settings. So I have named my mats A to F. And I'm streaming from mat A from this computer, so I'll pick A here. And then I'll do the same thing in the iOS app. Then I'll click brackets and schedule, view mat for mat A, and then click the first fight and click scoreboard. Now I see the input panel, and this is where I'll input the scores. To create a spectator window, click Window, and then Create Spectator. If you're on a PC, you need to extend your displays. So here's how to do that. And if you're on a Mac, it's automatic. So you don't have to do anything. You just need to make sure that under Displays and then Arrangement, this box that says Mirror Displays is not activated. So make sure this is unchecked, and then you should have two windows. One for the input panel and then one for the spectators. And once you have this, it's time to configure the iOS app. Now, the next step would be to connect the streaming device with the desktop application. I have an iPad here, but you can use an iPhone as well. Do the same thing as you did with the scoreboard application. Log in with your organizer account, choose your event, then choose the mat you're streaming from. This was mat A, so I will pick A here. And then here under channel, I will pick A again, so that the Smoothstreamer app on the device knows that it's streaming together with the desktop app. And once the connection is made, you will see that the scoreboard pops up here. So now I know that everything is working. And then once the fight starts, I will just press the record button here, the small camera icon here. And then when that is green, then you're streaming. When streaming, it takes a lot on the battery on the device. So make sure to have a charger and then connect that to the device. To get better sound, you can also use a microphone. This is a microphone from Rode, and it picks up the sound just in front of the device instead of picking up sound from behind. Maybe the spectators are screaming or something like that. So it's really recommended to invest in small microphones for the iPads or the iPhones. I have a tripod here that I put next to the table so that if somebody moves the table, it won't affect the streaming. So this is recommended. But you can also use a smaller tripod, like a desktop tripod like this, and then have the iPad or the iPhone on the table. Once you have this up and running, then you're good to go. Now you can start streaming. So we're back in the studio, and I want to show you some examples. This first clip is from a mat that had two professional cameras, and then the second one is from one mat using the Smoothstreamer app and an iPad. So let's take a look. This clip is from the professional camera. In the corner you can see the scoreboard showing the current time and the current points. You can also see what type of fight it is and the name of the fighters and what country they're from. In the other corner there's a QR code. And if you use your smartphone and just point your camera towards the QR code, it will open up the bracket for this division. And this clip is from the Smoothstreamer app. And you can see the same thing here. You see the scoreboard and you see the QR code. And there you have it. That's the Smoothstreamer solution. We're very excited about this project, and we hope you are too, and that you want to try it out. Please send us an email to support@smoothcomp.com and we'll help you set everything up. Also remember that we're constantly evolving our product, so you might see something in this video that has changed a little over time. If you want more content like this, please subscribe to the channel, and to get notified, make sure to hit that little bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.